If you're experiencing lag, stuttering, or low FPS in Monster Hunter Wilds, it's not just your hardware causing the issue. Many players overlook the importance of properly configuring their NVIDIA Control Panel settings, and that alone can make a huge difference in performance. In this video, I'll walk you through the best NVIDIA settings to get higher FPS, lower input lag, and a much smoother gameplay experience. Whether you're on a high-end GPU or struggling with an older one, these settings will help you get the most out of your system. But here's something most people don't realize: there's one specific setting in the NVIDIA Control Panel that many players set incorrectly, and it silently ruins performance. If you don't fix it, you'll never get the best FPS possible. I'll reveal what that setting is at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the very end. Now, let's get started and optimize Monster Hunter Wilds for the best possible performance.